the political science, democratic politics, democratic politics. So let us see first what are the chapters, how many chapters are there. Okay, there are 5 chapters are there in this chapter. The first one is power sharing, second one federalism, gender, religion and caste, third one, and the fourth one political parties, fourth one political politics, and the fifth one is outcomes of democracy, outcomes of democracy. So you can see here it is democratic politics, democratic politics. It is in continuation to the 9th class democratic politics 1. Okay, these only these 5 lessons, and all these 5 lessons, okay, all these 5 lessons will be evaluated in the board examination. No exemption for any lesson, all these 5 lessons. Okay, and from these 5 lessons 20 marks, 20 marks, for 20 marks. So from this democratic politics will be evaluated. Okay, and these are very interesting and easy chapters. Okay, so in the power sharing we will see what is the importance of power sharing and what is the need of power sharing. Okay, and how the power is shared in our country India. Okay, and coming here the second one, federalism. So what do we mean by federalism? Actually this federalism is an institutional mechanism to accommodate 2 sets of parties, that means 2 levels of government. So in our country India, how we are following this principle of federalism, and also we will see this gender, religion and caste. What is the role of caste in the Indian politics, religion? Okay, we will see all these things. And coming to these political parties, what are the political parties, what is the importance of political parties in democracy? Okay, and the last chapter is outcomes of democracy. So what benefit we are getting out of democracy? Okay, so we'll discuss all these things in detail, So the weightage with respect to this political science is 20 marks, 20 marks are allocated, 20 marks are allocated. Okay,